Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to print instruction sheets on PDF from the Remind School Communication app. Now if you want to print an instruction sheet or the PDF in Remind School Communication app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now Remind allows you to print an instruction sheet, which is also known as PDF, to help students, parents or teachers join their class easily. Now here's how you can do it easily. The first step will be to download the Remind School Communication app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. And after that, you need to open the Remind School Communication app and make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. Otherwise, you won't be able to access to the Remind School Communication app. So after logging into your Remind account, you need to select the class you want to print the instructions for. So if you click on the three straight lines at the very top left, and you'll see the number of classes which you have joined, and you'll see the number of classes which you have owned. So you need to select the classes you want to print the instruction for, and you need to click on the gear icon on the top right corner, and from there you need to scroll down until you see the option of people. So after seeing the option of people, you need to click on it, and there you'll see the option of get class instruction. So click on the option of get class instruction, and a PDF file with step-by-step joining instruction will be generated, and you need to click on the option of download or print the PDF, and by doing all of it you will be able to save the PDF or download the PDF on a device. So that's it. That's how you can print the instruction sheets PDF on a Remind School Communication app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.